Tired of ETL pipelines that break when your data schema evolves? Manual validation loops eating your sprint cycles? You're not alone. This skill delivers automated schema validation using ML models, self correcting data flows with feedback loops, real time anomaly detection during processing, and ML driven optimization of data flow. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with your existing data stack: Snowflake, BigQuery, Spark, you name it. Say goodbye to midnight debugging sessions. Your pipelines might fix themselves before you even notice the error. For AI engineers, ML practitioners, and data architects drowning in static workflows, this is the adaptive pipeline solution you've been begging for. Here's what's inside the building-etl-pipeline with AI skill. Automated schema validation uses ML models to predict and adapt to structural changes. Self correcting flows trigger feedback loops when anomalies appear. Real time detection flags outliers mid processing. Dynamic transformations adapt SQL/Python code on the fly. ML based optimizers balance compute resources across your DAGs. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real world examples. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a tool, it's your data stack's new nervous system. Installing the Building ETL pipeline with AI skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add building-etl pipeline with AI. That's it. You'll download the complete skill with expert level guidance, pre built validation models, and transformation templates in Python, SQL, and Spark. No config hell. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now understands data drift detection, feedback loop implementation, and ML powered optimization strategies. Just don't ask it to do your laundry too. Deploy smarter pipelines before your coffee goes cold.